Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to download a song from Google or Safari. Okay, so firstly we're gonna open Safari and just search for MP3, the website name that we going to use. MP3 Juices free MP3 downloads. Just click on the suggested. After that, you can just search any song, your favorite song that you'd like to download. Okay, just for example. And then after the results come up, you can choose which one you'd like to download. Okay, as for example, I want to download this one. Okay, I can try to play this song. Okay, let us try to hear from this song. This kind of like in YouTube. Yeah, but you just can download a song here. Okay, again.
What you know about rolling down in the
I think that's enough. So if you decided to download this any song, you need to click on download, not a big red column one, but just you can that here you can stop and then you can click on download and just wait. The file is ready. Please click the download button to start the download. Okay, and then you need to click on download again in black column and just wait. Do you want to download as well as somebody? Okay, and for the last time you need again to click on download and just wait for the blue arrow, the blue line outside here to complete. Yeah, until 5.9 megabyte, 3 megabyte, 3.1. Just wait. Okay guys, this is the fastest and the easiest way to download a song from Google or Safari without advertisement. It is free and yeah, easy to learn for a beginner. Okay, our song has ready to hear, and then you need to open your file. Okay, after that you can see here your downloaded song, and then you can enjoy that song when it is already complete downloaded, like this. You can click on the song and then play.
What you know about rolling.
Okay guys, that's all in today's video. I'm sharing you with something that quite easy. I hope you guys please comment and like. Don't forget to share your friends and family. Also please subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.